Hey. Hey. Shh. What are you doing? What are you doing? He's a big old man. Big baby. He's not even all the way grown yet either. He's going to be huge. What are you doing? You want to show everyone your face? What's your eyes? Oh boy, walking over the plants. Are you covering the ground cover? Look at that boy though, my goodness. Yeah, you stay out of there. Look how far up you are. Oh my goodness. You a good boy? What's that? See, Anna doesn't do this. Lucky used to do it. Now he's doing it. Watch it. Oh, put a little baby pad there for him. Little landing strip there. A couple boxes stacked on top of each other. The floor mat on top. Works. Works for me. Crazy guy too. Crazy man.